What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of 100 Proof Emma. I'm your host, Emma, and I'm so glad you're here, mainly because it's my birthday week, so I get to wear the crown the entire month of August. For this very monumental occasion, this year in 2021, I am creating a birthday cocktail with only 3 ingredients. All it is, yellow cake mix, some heavy whipped cream, and your vodka of choice. It tastes like a celebration. Yes, I am wearing a crown because it's my birthday and I can. And you can too, and you should. And do me a favor, follow, like, and subscribe. It would be my birthday wish. Homemade simple syrup. So what I did is I went to the store, bought some classic yellow cake mix. I mixed that with some hot boiling water, equal parts sugar, cake mix, simple syrup that I've been letting sit in the fridge for 2 days. Next, you can choose your vodka of choice. I'm also using some heavy whipping cream. That's literally all it takes. Put a little cream of coconut in a plate and I put some sprinkles on the other plate. I took my 2 glasses I'm gonna be using and I went like this and I rimmed my glassware. And there you go. Bada bing, bada boom. To start the celebration, you're gonna be needing 2 ounces of your vodka of choice. Next, you're gonna be just pouring 1.5 ounces of your homemade yellow cake mix simple syrup. I put it in this mason jar, shake it up a little bit. Simple syrup is not traditionally made like very thick like this, but because of the cake ingredients, it is gonna thicken it, which is why I wanna balance it out with my heavy whipping cream. Next, I'm just gonna fill up the shaker halfway with some heavy whipping cream, then I'm gonna shake it. So now that you're finished with your delicious looking and super cute birthday cocktail, I made one for you and I made one for me to celebrate our birthdays together. Okay, let's see what this is like. Well, that's full of punch and that's full of birthday, and this is definitely a celebration cocktail. I'm using it for my birthday. It tastes just like a cupcake, and anybody who knows me knows I love my birthday cupcakes. Happy birthday to you or to the person in your life or the people in your life who are celebrating today, whether virtually or in person. See you next time. And to another episode of 100 Proof Emma. And to another episode, Mochi, stop, thank you. So I ended up actually making 2, Mochi, shh, stop barking.